Alright, y'all. This is a quick video. This is not really a review. I'm actually be doing a real video of this thing in action. I seen a couple people was asking for a video with this product, like in action, actually working, because there's not really too many videos with this product with people actually using it. This is the Sunjoe SPX 1000 electric pressure washer. You can see right there, it has 1450 PSI, gallons per minute, 1.45, 11.5 amps. Today is gonna be my first time using this, so y'all be able to see what's going on with it. I believe if you get this particular model, you can't use any type of foam cannon. Cause I was gonna buy a foam cannon from like Harbor Freight or either a little cheap one off of Amazon for like $16. But I think this particular model, the SPX 1000, you gotta buy Sunjoe foam cannon to work. So I'm not sure, don't quote me on that, but I just bought it anyway just to be on the safe side. So y'all gonna see this foam cannon in action too. This model is the SPX FC34, and like I said before I even bought this, I wanted to buy it, and I didn't really see no videos with this being used or that particular foam cannon being used. So we're gonna be doing that today. Foam cannon right here, adjustable nozzle right there. So we're gonna be using this along with Chemical Guys Mr. Paint. This shit's supposed to be good. I didn't get the honeydew, but I bought the Mr. Paint. Mr. Paint's supposed to be pretty good also. So we'll be using that today, clean the Jeep. And I'll get back with y'all. I'm also gonna mount my phone on top of here so y'all gonna see y'all see how it works, like on hand. Okay, you can see the dirt and stuff on here. See the dirt? It's real dirty. Real dirty. So we're about to test this Sunjoe pressure washer with the Mr. Paint soap and Sunjoe from foam pump cannon. Test this out, see how it works. Finish this side first.
I'm not done with this side?
No.
I'm a little baby in an ice cream.
You getting it?
Yes,
Alright, y'all. This is after using the Sunjo pressure washer with the Sunjo foam cannon. Basically, all I did was rinsed it off with the pressure washer, rinsed all the dirt off, and then I used the foam cannon, sprayed it off with the foam cannon, and then sprayed it off with the foam cannon. Then I rinsed it off, let all the foam drip off of there, rinsed it off with the water, and then I went back on it with the foam cannon, and then used the mitt and hand washed it, and dried it off afterwards. And this is the ending result for the Jeep. Y'all saw how I was looking before. It's pretty shiny now, almost like a mirror. Like a mirror.